In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports. If you've ever opened a report and wish the columns made more sense for how you analyze your business, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it straightforward so you can quickly reshape what you see and make your reports easier to read. First, run your report. This can be any report, whether it comes from the standard report templates or it's one you've already customized and saved. Once the report is open, we'll focus on how to control the way the columns appear so the information lines up with the story you're trying to tell. To adjust how the columns are displayed, look to the top right and click Display. This is where you choose the criteria that determines how the columns are separated and viewed. Think of it as choosing the lens through which you want to compare your data across the page. Depending on the report, you might separate by month, quarter, or year, or compare by customer, vendor, product or service, location, or class. Pick the option that best highlights the trend or comparison you want to see. As soon as you make a selection, the report refreshes and the columns reorganize accordingly, giving you a clearer, side-by-side perspective. If you're working with a custom report, you can go a step further and choose exactly which types of columns appear. At the top right, click Columns. You'll see a list of available data fields for that report. Simply check the boxes for the columns you want to include and uncheck anything that isn't helpful. The report updates as you go, so you can immediately see the effect of each choice. This is especially useful when you want to narrow the view to only the columns that support your analysis, like showing totals without details, or adding key identifiers such as customer names, account numbers, or classes. A quick tip: keep your columns focused on the question you're answering. Too many columns can make a report feel overwhelming. It's perfectly okay to start broad, then pare it down by unchecking fields until the layout feels clean and readable. If something doesn't look right, return to Display to adjust how the columns are separated, or back to Columns to refine which fields are included. And that's all there is to it. Run your report, use Display to control how columns are separated and viewed, and, for custom reports, use Columns to choose the exact fields you want to see. With these simple adjustments, your QuickBooks Online Advanced reports will work the way you do.